This video is brought to you by HM Ishaq & Sons Builders and Developers, Color Dreams Printers, Firdaus Caterers, and by ASK Tours and Travels.
तेरे नखरे न किसी के बस के ले बीट पकड़ जोर लगा के
Everyone, as you can see, there is warm-up going on here, and I have with me, sir, what's your name?
Gupta.
Mr. Gupta. And your age, sir?
72.
He is 72 years of age and he has already participated in a 5K run yesterday. So come, let's ask him about the feeling and why he has done this. Sir, can you please share us the feeling and what was the motivation behind you doing this?
No, right. Daily walking is there for me.
Yes.
Just I wanted to go.
Okay. So how long you have been participating in this event? As this is the 16th edition, it started 16 years before in Hyderabad. So how long you have been participating?
No, I am a regular walker only.
Okay.
But yesterday I just tried.
And as you can see behind me, these people are really enjoying the atmosphere. So come, let's take their views for why they are doing this. Hello sir, excuse me, how you are feeling about this atmosphere?
Yeah, very enjoying.
And this is the 16th edition of 10K run. You are participating in this. What is the motivation behind this? Why you are doing this? Why you are participating?
Actually, everybody have some
people to come and join this? Your advice for the people?
Everybody, I advise to join with 10K or 5K.
Are you enjoying this atmosphere? You are enjoying this atmosphere? As you can see, sir is dancing. He's really enjoying this.
Good morning, everyone. It's my first time here at the 10K and it is amazing. I thought I'm going to be sleeping early in the morning, but looking at all you lovely people, I have all the energy to start off this amazing day, and I'm giving you all my energy to have an amazing run. And for the girls and boys who are dancing, enjoy your dancing. I love that too. I hope you're having a great time.
Good morning, guys. Last time My City My Run 10K run poster release చేయడానికి పిలిచారు. సో వెళ్ళాను, అక్కడ చెప్పారు రన్నింగ్కి నాకు చాలా దగ్గర సంబంధం ఉంది, చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి పరిగెత్తేవాడిని. స్కూల్ నుంచి బయటికి, ఇంటి నుంచి బయటికి, గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ నుంచి బయటికి, ఇలాగా అగైన్స్ట్గా పరిగెత్తేవాడిని. సో ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం కొంచెం రన్నింగ్ ఉంది కానీ కొంచెం రీజన్స్ మారినాయి. ఇప్పుడు కాజ్ గురించి కానీ ఇలా మీ అందరితో కలవడానికి కానీ పరిగెడతాను.
You all know that the state is going for elections and December 7th we are going to cast your vote there. How many of you raise your hands? You know, when you go there, they put an ink on your left hand finger. Can you show this finger, please? This is how to vote. This is your power. I appeal to all of you. Whoever you have voted, appeal to your parents, appeal to your brothers, sisters, neighbors, our friends. Because 15,000 or 20,000 people came here, but we have about 18 lakh voters in city of Hyderabad. All of them have to vote.
We the citizens of India, having abiding faith in democracy, hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections.
Dignity of free, fair and true elections.
And to vote in every election fearlessly. And without being influenced by considerations of religion. Race, caste, community, language, or any inducement.
So as you can see, these people in green t-shirts are teaching them the warm-up before the run. So these people here in the orange are the participants. So these people are learning and they are ready to run now. So we'll take the bites from these people. Actually, this is a very good atmosphere here and I am really enjoying it, totally killing it. I request all the people, you know, if there's any event happening in a city like this, just go enjoy. It's good for your health as well as you get a great atmosphere. Yeah. So you are participating in this 10K run. May I know your name? Padma, your age?
I'm 47.
And you are participating. What keeps you motivating to participate?
I'm into yoga. I'm a yoga teacher.
Okay.
So I want to practice in this also. I want to try my stamina.
And what is the benefits? Can you tell for the youngsters?
Overall benefits.
Okay.
Overall benefits for your heart, good for your joints, good for your bone.
can see 10K has been started and so many people are participating here. Hello ma'am, we are from Go Hash. So what brings you here to come and walk for your city? What is the motivation behind this?
I just wanna feel alive, young.
And your advice for all the youngsters to come and join this?
Please join it. It's gonna be super fun.
Thank you ma'am. What brings you to this 5K run? Means what is the motivation to come here? Health. And the slogan for this is My City, My Run. So regarding that, this is the 16th edition of My City, My Run.
Yeah, so you are in Hyderabad, you need to be healthy.
And what about the upcoming elections? You requested people to come and vote outside?
Yeah.
There is a theme, as the sir said. So
Bring one, right?
सकते हैं मेरे पीछे ये जो 10K रन के विनर्स हैं और ये सब जो है मिलिट्री से हैं। सर तो आप बताइए यहाँ पे भागने की वजह और आपको कैसा फील हुआ और आप लोग जीत भी गए हैं, तो इसके बारे में कुछ हमारे से शेयर करिए।
सर मैं पहली बार दौड़ा जॉब लगने के बाद, पहली बार फर्स्ट बार मैराथन किया मैंने। मुझे दौड़ के बहुत अच्छा लगा।
साथ में इंस्पेक्टर लक्ष्मी मैम, तो हम से पूछना चाहेंगे मैम ये सिटी के लोग किस तरह से आपको कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं इस इवेंट में?
చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతాము. ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ కూడా చాలా తక్కువ వాక్ చేయాలని ఉంటుంది కానీ మా సెక్యూరిటీ మేము చేయాలి కాబట్టి మా డ్యూటీ మేము చేస్తాం.
हाथ में केला पानी, तो यहाँ पे वॉलंटियर्स हैं जो कि अपने विल एंड विश से आके वॉलंटियर कर रहे हैं। हमारे साथ ऐसी एक टीम है जो इस 10K में वॉलंटियर कर रहे हैं। आइए जानते हैं उनसे कि वो किस वजह से वॉलंटियर करते हैं और क्या उनका मोटिव है इसके पीछे। तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आप यहाँ पर हमेशा से वॉलंटियर करते हैं?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। जी हाँ, हम पिछले 6 साल से आ रहे हैं 10K रन में हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और कई सारे ऐसे चैरिटी वॉक्स है, जैसे पिंक वॉक है या ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के लिए वॉक है, लेप्रेसी वॉक है। ऐसे पब्लिक चैरिटी वॉक्स में और ड्राइव्स में हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। हम एक पीस का मैसेज लेके आए हैं लोगों के पास। हाँ, पीस एंड यूनिटी का मैसेज हम लोगों को इस्लाम के बारे में बताते हैं और उनको जानकारी देने का मौका है ये कि हमारा ज़िंदगी जीने का पर्पस क्या है, मरने के बाद क्या होगा और भगवान कौन है, गॉड कौन है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आई गॉट योर पॉइंट। आपका ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है उसका नाम क्या है, मतलब कोई ट्रस्ट या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है?
जी, हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है इस्लामिक ट्रूथ एक्सप्लोरेशन सेंटर। साथ ही में हम जो है जो वॉक करते हैं वो लोगों को कुछ पानी और बनाना देते हैं। बनाना इसलिए कि इट इज़ हाई इन carbs and
fiber,
potassium.
yes.
So that's why we give them bananas and पानी तो obviously तो थके हुए होते हैं।
yes.
और एक मौका है यूनिटी का। आप देखते हैं कई डिफरेंट कलर्स, डिफरेंट रेसेस और डिफरेंट एथनिसिटी और डिफरेंट रिलीजन के लोग साथ में भागते हैं चैरिटी के लिए। तो हम भी ये मौके का जो है फ़ायदा उठाते हैं कि लोगों से बातचीत।
थैंक यू, आई रियली अप्रिशिएट योर एफर्ट।
This video is brought to you by HM Ishaq & Sons, Builders and Developers, Color Dreams Printers, Firdos Caterers, and by ASK Tours and Travels.